front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now tap on Google on the left and select Google Password Manager. Finally, to check any password you might forgotten because it autofills for you, you need to click on it here on the list. Enter your current login method to confirm it's you. And click on this icon of an eye right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!